Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Share your experiences in comment section. My today's recipe is 3 quick, easy and healthy salads using green leafy vegetables. This can be served as sides with rotis or even can be gulped with any meal. Let's prepare first variety of salad using spring onion. For this you need finely chopped spring onion 3/4 cup, boiled corn ½ cup, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1/4 lime. To a bowl add finely chopped spring onion 3/4 cup, boiled corn ½ cup, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, squeeze 1/4 lime, pepper as per taste, 1 teaspoon honey and salt as per taste. Mix all the ingredients and your spring onion salad is ready. Spring onion are rich in vitamin C and calcium, so enjoy this quick and healthy salad. Let's prepare second variety of salad, ajwain raita. For this you need 8 to 10 ajwain leaves. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon oil on low flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and jeera. Add a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Add 2 green chilies finely chopped. Add chopped ajwain leaves. Saute this. Keep mixing until the leaves become soft. Keep mixing. Now you can see the leaves have become soft. Switch off the gas and let it cool. Add ½ cup of curd to ajwain tempering or ajwain tadka which we prepared earlier. Add salt as per taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Now you can see a nice color is formed. Your ajwain raita is ready to be served. Ajwain leaves helps in digestion. So do try this ajwain raita. This tastes yum with rotis. Let's prepare last variety of salad, methi salad. For this you need 1 cup finely chopped methi, 1 teaspoon roasted peanut powder, 2 to 3 curd chilies or red dry chilies or even green chilies, 1/4 lime. To a bowl add finely chopped methi, add peanut powder, salt as per taste, sugar as per taste, squeeze 1/4 lime. Now let's prepare tempering. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon oil on low flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and jeera. Add a pinch of hing or asafoetida and then add this curd chilies or red chilies or green chilies and then saute for a minute. Add tempering to the methi mixture. Give it a nice stir and mix all the ingredients well. The same process can be followed for palak leaves to prepare palak salad. Methi leaves are rich in vitamin A, C and folic acid. So do enjoy this methi salad with rotis or even with any meal. So you saw how quickly we have prepared 3 healthy salads. Try it out and share your experience. Stay tuned for a delicious twist to poha recipe. Thank you for watching. Check and subscribe my channel for more recipes.